Kids love to learn by working with their hands. In areas of libraries and classrooms called makerspaces, students construct, assemble, and create things. In breakerspaces, they do the opposite, take things apart to discover how they work. There is so much to learn by taking things apart and putting them back together. Inspire discovery through destruction with the new series, Take It Apart, from the Child's World. This series introduces readers to the breakerspace concept, encouraging them to learn how everyday household objects function by taking them apart. Each title highlights a different object, how to safely take it apart, and how its parts work together. Inside each book, labeled photos of the disassembled objects make each step of the process clear. Safety notes provide guidance for keeping kids safe while they're deconstructing. Additionally, a table of contents, a phonetic glossary, and an index support emerging readers, while an introduction to the author and sources for further research provide avenues for students to learn even more. Have you ever wondered what's inside of a drone, or what parts make up a remote-controlled car? Or maybe been curious how a digital camera works to take a photo? Aspiring young engineers and other curious readers will love to learn how all sorts of things work in Take It Apart, from the Child's World.